Okay, we need to read our article. Our article? So let's create new file called read article.php. What we need to do is copy from all of here and paste inside here. We can remove this for now. Okay, and then I have a function class from container because I'm using a framework responsive layer. So all we need to do is delete and then create if is set get id and then id as get id and then article because we instance from here, and then we can create query. I think content article, I think from here as before, and then fetch content. Don't worry, for now we don't having here this function, but we will create it. So let's inside here public function fetch content id, and then inside here you need to create a global again handler for handler because we are using here. So handler prefer select all from article where id question mark. Okay, all we need to do is execute and then array to create inside here id, and then return query is fetch. Okay, and then inside here you need to create a friend or content. Again, inside index.php you can create a inside here link read article.php and then id question mark echo article id. Okay, that's it. So let's see if I learn what says. All right, we see inside here that is very cool. We have successfully to create it. So what I'm gonna do is make something like if I create inside here, because I'm using framework again, I wanna create page header h1, and then I wanna create h1 going to be echo content title, I think. Then see, all right, learn about CMS as we see from here. But if I go back to create inside here a link to be index.php back, you can use something like this, HTML and DTS back. As you see, it's learn about CMS, but inside here learn about PHP. All right, that's cool. We have success. What we gonna do again to make a content? So let's create b and then echo again content and then inside here is publish on date function again from PHP date, and then let's create day and then yeah y, I think, and then create article content publish. Okay, like that. So let's see. All right, you see that is very cool. So what's happening inside here? We don't make it to be here. Okay, now we have it. So I think that is very cool if you can make something like this, but that is very bad for me. So I can make header and then each one content. So now what we need to do is make it here panel content. Okay, and then panel footer. then echo date, and then dmy. You can create spread by comma and article content, publish. Okay, like that. So let's see. Okay, we're having the error, so let's create inside here heading, then is body. Okay, like this. That is very cool. If I choose here CMS, that is like this. If I choosing like this, so let's learn about PHP. Okay, in the next part we are going to talking about administrator system.